Welcome to the GrowTrax how-to information site. In this short video, we will show you how to prepare the area you want grown, how to install, water, and care for your new GrowTrax grass. Firstly, preparation of the area you want to grow is critical to the quality of lawn you will end up with. GrowTrax needs direct contact with the prepared soil, so never apply GrowTrax over vegetation or old grass. Clear the area with a scraper like this, and then rake it like this. If it's a patch or pet spot, the same applies, like this. Be sure to remove all dead or unwanted vegetation and stones or other irregular objects. Now that the area is ready, a couple of useful tips. First, avoid laying GrowTrax when windy. Rather, wait for a wind-free day. Secondly, either give the prepared ground a good soaking with your irrigation system or spray head the day before you install GrowTrax. This allows GrowTrax to tack to the ground really well and gives your soil some base moisture for the new roots. So don't install on a windy day and give your prepared area a good watering the day before installation. This is what your prepared area should look like. Or if you're repairing spots or damaged areas, like this. The next stage is making sure you plan for where your GrowTrax will go. GrowTrax is designed to start the biodegrading process the moment it gets wet, so make sure you have everything ready to go, like scissors and the hose with the head set to shower mode. When you're patching or repairing pet spots, tear off the amount of GrowTrax you need like this and shape it to fit the area. Once done, water it well. When working with a large area, it's best to water your GrowTrax as you roll it out, but only water the outer edge, like this. It will allow you to work with the product without damaging it. Laying GrowTrax on your own is easy. A few bricks can help you as you progress, like this. Or having a second person can also make laying quicker. You can cut at either end of your run as you go, like this, or like this when you finished. This is what your first sheet should look like. The furthest edge wet and adhered to the ground, and the nearest edge still dry. Align the next sheet so there's no gaps between the sheets. It's even okay if they overlap a little, like this. And now water the remaining half of the first sheet and the first half of the second sheet. Work from the furthest point so you never have to walk on GrowTrax once it's been laid and watered. Keep going in the same fashion until the entire area is covered. And either with your pop-up irrigation system or oscillating lawn waterer, give the area a good soaking. There's no need to cut out for pop-up sprinklers, as they will automatically pop up through the paper like this. Repeat the watering process 2 or 3 times a day, or as needed depending on the weather conditions. It's very important to keep your GrowTrax wet for the first 2 to 3 weeks. This will maximize the germination rate. This is what it should look like correctly watered. And this is too much. In 7 to 10 days, this is what it should look like, or 30 days if you chose GrowTrax Bermuda. In about 3 weeks, or when the blades are 3 inches high, it's time to mow. You should try and avoid mowing when it's wet, as this can pull and tear the new roots. If you have shapes or curves, lay the GrowTrax right over the area and then water. As you can see, it forms the shape of this curve. Then, it's really easy to see where you need to cut. If you have areas that have uneven ends, it's easy to lay over the existing ends like this. It's okay that it overlaps the other sheets. This is a gentle watering. And this is too strong. Be sure to have your spray nozzle on shower. This is what GrowTrax is like with the right amount of water. And this is too much. To store any unused GrowTrax, Place it in your shed or garage away from water or high heat, and it'll be good for next time you need some to fix or grow an area. Thank you for purchasing GrowTrax, the miracle grass on a roll.